Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so that noise you hear is my air fryer. I'm making chicken for my lunch. Anyways, so today's video, we are going to get things done, right? I'm going to clean, decorate, and just get my house back in order. I took Christmas decorations out, so most of it. Actually, everything inside the house is out except the outside of the house, which we'll probably work on that this weekend. But anyways, point is, we are going to just get stuff done today. I just want to kind of feel, like something is decorated. Everything right now is so plain, and I don't like that. But anyways, our motto, if you will, is progress over perfection for this year. And I'm going to expect myself to have some progress in the day and not expect it to be 100% perfect, because I find myself not wanting to even start because I'm like, oh, but I won't finish. It's okay. You can finish another day. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just better than it was when you first started, right? I bought a couple things that I want. My chicken's done. I bought a couple things that I want to decorate with, so I'm going to show you guys that now. And then we'll get started. Okay, so when I was taking out my Christmas stuff, I put all the neutral things and the things that I knew that I could probably use in my regular decorations. I just put it all here on this table, so that's why there's a huge mess. But these are the things that I picked up. So starting on this side, I got this from Burlington. It says, I love hugs, I love kisses, but I really love those who do the dishes. Ain't that the truth? And it's on both towels. It brings two, and that was $5. I got this one from Target, and this one was also $5. I bought this one before I bought this one, but when I found this one at Burlington, I really loved it, so I got it. But this one's really cute too. It's more neutral. And then I found this little tray at Target for $5. I found this one, $5 too. I got this at Burlington, $5.99. I got this at Burlington, $6.99. And then I got this from Target. This is from, I got this at Joann's. And it was, I think, 70% off. I paid $6 for it, which it's really cute. And then I found this. This was $16.99, but I love it so much. It's so beautiful. So this is probably going to go in the middle of the living room. We'll see. So let's get started. I also got these cups from Walmart. They were $3.88. And then I got this little sign for $2.98 from Walmart. And then I picked up, which Chad opened it, but some candy to add to my little candy station. Okay guys, so here I am doing this. I do this when I'm setting up like a flower arrangement. So you basically pull tape and then just make little squares. So you're gonna pull it like I am now one way, and then you're gonna turn the vase or the bowl or whatever the other way. So then you're gonna just have little squares. That way the flowers stay where you want them, because if you notice, if you just try to put flowers into a vase, they just fall to the sides, and just kind of, you just need more flowers, or they just don't stay where you want them to. When you do this, it stays. It's so good. It's my little secret, and I love it. I don't remember where I learned this from, but ever since I learned it, I've used it. And then you just start putting the flowers in, just arrange it however you can. Um, what I like to do is put them in, see if I like it. If I don't, take it back out. And sometimes I just put it and leave it the way I did here. and then put it out and see if I like it the next day. Okay, so I am not going to finish the video by showing you guys how I decorated. I'm going to post that tomorrow, so don't forget to come back. I'm going to reveal how I decorated the entire house. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the first part of this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.